Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. Today is June the 15th. Well, since it's after midnight, it's June the 15th, but I'm really shooting a video for June the 14th, which is Saturday. Okay. It's late over here, guys. And today we have made it to day number 66 of this MLGS Secret Challenge. All right. So just wanted to welcome you guys to this video series. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about here, okay, we are shooting a 365-day challenge. Okay, where we're using a 1 year challenge where we're using one offer from ClickBank, okay, in the make money online niche. And then also we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret System. Okay, we're going to put those together. Okay, and we're going to see if we can earn a full-time income doing so. All right. So we've made it to day number 66, guys. And I wanted just to show you guys the results from the emails that we sent last night. And then also want to show you how to send out, how easy it is to send out an email in the Mileage and Secret system. All right. So let's go ahead and hop on over to it. Now, if you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, Mileage and Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into your back office, you're going to either see 100 or you're going to see 200 leads coming in to your back office. Now, what differentiate? I'm sorry if I got that word wrong. What separates your 100 to 200 leads is going to be whether you have multiple accounts or not. Okay, so the 100 leads is going to come from possibly you only having one account, or you having a few accounts and you haven't had a sign up under your previous account. Okay, now to get 200 leads, what you're going to need is multiple accounts. Okay, and what you can do is you can sign up for the mileage and secret, which I did leave a link below this video. Okay, all you got to do is come down here, click on more, and then this tab right here. Okay, click on the MLGS True Freedom so you can join my team, and I can show you guys the journey, and you guys can go along with me and kind of see how I'm doing stuff, and you can duplicate what I'm doing. All right. So, and after you do that, right, you sign up one time, okay, with me, and then your other accounts that you sign up for, you sign up under yourself. Okay, that's how you get multiple accounts. And this is going to be your affiliate link. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be your affiliate link. Not going to be mine. Okay, it's going to be, you're going to have your own numbers. Okay, so once you sign up today, okay, your back office, what you would do is click on your you click on you highlight the affiliate link, okay, like I'm doing, right? Highlight it and then sign out of this account. Okay. Once you sign out, put this link into the URL tab. Okay. You paste that into the URL tab, click on that link, and then it's going to pull up another page for the mileage and secret system. And what you do is you sign up under your own account. You own your own affiliate link, excuse me, using a different email address. Okay, you can use the same credit card, but just use a different email address, and you can stack as many accounts as you like. Me, I have 8 different accounts, and I would recommend going out and just grabbing 8, but I would start off with at least 2 or 3, maybe even 5 accounts. Okay, if you have the budget. Okay, with my lead gen secret system, it is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, so if you have the budget to go out and grab these accounts, I highly recommend that you go out and do so. Okay, because it's going to be beneficial to you to do it. All right. So, just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've been doing it for a while. Okay. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you it does work. Okay, guys. This traffic does work. Okay. And if you guys have been following this video series, you know that this traffic does work because I've been making money from it. Okay. I've been getting sales from it. Okay. And as you can see, this stuff does work. Okay. If you guys have been following this video series, right? And if you haven't, just go back and watch these previous videos. You're going to see some sales that we made in those previous videos. All right. So this is the back office. Your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus the emails I send out. Okay. All of these tabs are going to be the same. the main tab that you're going to want to, go to send out your emails every day is going to be this mailing system. So what I do every day, I come here to my accounts. I click on select all. Okay. And then when select all comes, it transfer all the emails that I want to send over to this side. That way I can send out one email blast and it goes to all my subscribers. Okay. Right now on this account that I have over 176,000 subscribers. Okay. Coming in every single, 200 leads coming in every single day. And then right now I have a total amount of 176,000. Okay. Which is really good. So we're going to send out one email. It's going to go out to all of these people. Okay. Now, the offer that we're going to be using for this challenge is going to be an offer called Social Sales Rep. Okay. This is a high converting offer on ClickBank in the make money online niche. Okay. Now, if you guys don't know what ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to and you can sign up and you can use their offers. You can become affiliate of this place and you can use their offers. Okay. And we can use those offers to promote whatever offer that we want to promote. But the traffic that works the best with this, okay, is going to be business opportunity offers, okay? So it's our job to go out and find a business opportunity offer that's related to making money online. And then we use that offer to send out to this list right here, okay? So let's go ahead and grab the email swipes. Now, the cool thing about these offers with ClickBank, they have free email swipes that you can use that doesn't cost you anything, and they work really good, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab one of these emails in the system for this offer here. And there's 20 different emails, and all we got to do is just grab one. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab an email here, and let me show you how easy it is. So if you guys send out an email in Gmail or Yahoo, whatever email service that you've used, if you know how to send out those emails and that, okay, and send out a personal email, you can do this because it's the same thing, right? So you would go from the subject line and you want to copy and paste this in, okay, and then you come back here to the offer, to the free email swipes. So we sent out our subject line, and now all we gotta do is grab our body. Okay, so let's grab the body. Let's grab all of that. Control C. Now the cool thing about these emails is that they have an affiliate link underneath all of them. Okay, that we're going to use for this email. So what we would do is come back here and come down to the body. Okay, and I've already sent out all my emails today, guys, to save a little bit of time. Okay, to kind of get ahead of you guys a little bit. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here and then let's go ahead and go up to where it says hi name. Okay, and we want to just take this out and we want to put in this code. And this code, what's going to happen when we put this code in, it's going to address our customer by their first name. Okay, Control V. So now this email goes out. It's going to say, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever your name is, right? And then it's going to go into the email. Do you have a knack for conversation, right? And then at the bottom, we're going to be looking for a call to action button, okay? Something that says click here now, get started now, or hit this link to apply, right? And it's going to be in bold text. So what we want to do is we want to turn this into a clickable link. So when this email goes out, all our customer has to do is click on our link, okay? So let's go ahead and turn this into a clickable link by clicking this link tab right here, this chain thing right here, okay? And we're going to grab the link at the bottom, which is going to be this link right here. Okay, let me just get to it real quick. Let me grab it. And then we'll go over to the bottom. And then, boom, let's just grab this link, Control C, come back over here to the mailing system and Control V. That's it, guys. That's all we got to do. And then what we got to do, last but not least, where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, whatever that is, right? Don't put in my ClickBank affiliate ID because I'm going to get all the credit. Okay, so you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID so you make the money, okay? I already got my accounts going, so you guys go ahead and start making your money, all right? So let's go ahead and click on OK. And what that does is it turns that into a clickable link. And what I want to do is I like to make this either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys feel comfortable with. So now this email looks really good. Okay, it's addressing our prospect by their first name. It goes into the email. It tells our customer, our prospect, about the job opportunity that's in front of them. And then we have a call to action button for them to get started. It shows them the income that they can make, the income potential. And then all we got to do is send this email out, and all I got to do is click on this link. And then our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. We don't have to really do anything, okay? All we got to do is get them to this link, all right? And that's our job, all right? So that's it, guys. So what you want to do is you want to come down here. There's a tab that says send now, and then there's a tab that says preview. You want to click on preview first, preview the ad first to make sure that the link works. Okay, that's the main thing is you want to click on preview, make sure that this link works right here. Okay, the last thing you want is to send out an email and the link doesn't work, it's broken, or you misspell something or something like that. That way you can catch it and fix it. Okay, so after you preview it, then you come back here and click on send now. Boom, we just sent out an email that's going to go out to over 175,000 people. Okay, we're going to get a lot of eyeballs on our offers, and then potentially we can get some traffic, and then in the end we can start earning commissions. All right. Now, I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make anything because I don't know if you're going to go out and get accounts. I don't know if you're motivated to send out emails like I did, like I do, okay, and like many others do. Okay, I'm not sure if you're going to do that, but what I can guarantee you is that if you follow exactly what I'm showing you in this video, you will see progress and you will make money. Okay, it's just that simple. It's all the numbers games, guys. The more people we reach, the more opportunity that we have to get in front of somebody that's looking for a way to earn money online. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how super easy it is to send out emails in the system. With my 8 accounts, guys, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes. I'll say about 10 minutes, no longer than 10 minutes to come in and send out emails every day in each one of my 8 accounts. Like it's super easy to do. That way I can do that, spend a little bit of time on that. And then after that, I can go off and do other money making opportunities that I do as well. This is not my only source of income, guys. I got tons of other stuff that I do that I earn more income doing this. Okay. This is just super easy to do. This is why I'm showing you guys. All right. So that's how you send out an email, guys, in the mailing system. If, like I said, if you want to get started today, click on this link right here, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I forget if you're watching this video, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button, okay? Share this video, okay, to someone. If it's not you that's looking to make money, share to somebody who needs the extra income. All right. So I mean, and also too, this is not just a get rich scheme. Okay, you're not gonna get rich overnight, or you're not gonna make thousands of dollars every week. Okay, but if you work this thing right, and if you come in here and doing this every day, and you gradually stay with the program for 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, a year. Okay, if you come in and do this stuff every day, you're gonna see your income rise. Okay. So let's go and go over here to ClickBank. Like I said, it's a network platform. If you don't know what that is, just get started. You can get started for here for free, and then get your system, okay? Because you always need traffic, okay? Grab the mileage and secret system today, okay? And start building your list, okay? That way you can start having a backup traffic that if you're not paying for traffic, you got something that you have that's building subscribers every single day, okay? Like I did, okay? Now, this is my back office of ClickBank, okay? And as you can see, I've been making sales consistently. And like I said, this account is a new account, okay? I just created this account just for you guys, okay? I have multiple ClickBank accounts, okay, that I promote other offers in, okay? This specific method I created this account just for you guys, just to shoot this video series. Okay. So, this account is going to basically look like something that you would have in your back office. Okay. Because it's a new account, and I just started this campaign on day one, just to show you this stuff does work. Okay. So this is either the sales that I've gotten, this last week that's just passing right now. Okay. So, but let's go ahead and check on the reporting tab. Let's see how we did today. Okay. Let's see what happened today. Today is June the 14th. All right. And today, let's see here, social sales rep. Today we got over 1,400 hops. We got 907 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. We did get an order form impression. This is someone who came to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. Unfortunately, I did not get a sale today. Okay. Now, I did get a sale the other day, so I know that I do have a commission coming maybe tomorrow. Okay. But what we're looking for is initial sales every day. Okay. Because The offer that we're promoting is a dollar trial. Okay. So all we got to do is set it up one time, and then that customer gets billed over and over and over again each and every month, $20. Okay. And the whole idea of this method is to stack these $20 on top of each other each and every month and get it to where we start having $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, and $100 days. Okay. That is the whole goal. And that's what we're going to do in this video series. Mark my words, by the end of this video series, we will be making the money that I'm just talking to you about. Right. So we're going to get there. So like I said, we are still new in this, guys. We're only on day number 66 of this challenge. Okay, and it's going to take a little bit of time to get going. Okay, some people may see results their first month where things are rising. Some people may take 2 months. Okay, to where you start seeing sales. Sometimes it takes 3 to 6 months. Okay, so stick with me in this video series. Watch me in this third month. This month right here. Watch these sales start to stack up. And then on the fourth and fifth month, we're going to be rocking and rolling, guys. So just stick with me. Like I said, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other videos. I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and I'm going to see you guys here at the same time, same place. Peace.